I'm gonna die all alone.
What he
next
said.
box.
Go on next box.
Everyone
Go
follow
on
me.
next box.
No, it's over here. It's
Let's
over
go
here.
to
It's over
next
here.
box.
Juke. Oh, I just juked out the
Let's go
monster.
on next box. Let's go on next box.
Guys, let's wait.
Wait. Next box. Go on next box. Go on next box.
That kind of tank.
Dad, let's go on next box. Let's go on next box.
Oh, this music is fire.
Well,
I know, bro. Literally goes hard. Oh my god, does this not sound like it's from Undertale or something? For real, bro.
it does.
Yeah, it does. It sounds like it should be in Undertale.
Next box. Go on next box. Next box. Go on next box. Go on next box.
You can't get us from here. Bro, he can't get us from here.
Next box. Next box. Xbox.
I haven't done this one yet, so.
Robots. Got you.
Yeah, it's like red.
He destroyed you.
Yeah, it's like red, green. Yeah, green, blue, yellow, red. Red. I got it.
Go next box. Go next box.
Yo, full canceled. We won. Here, if you want to escape, here, watch out. If you want to escape, go like that. You want to go in the corner. Should flink you out.
Xbox.
Once you
Wait, did
Guys,
you already
what do you
did you beat level 3? Did you
well,
beat level 3?
well, let him do it first.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, bro.